Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to post cancelled Calendly events to a Slack channel. So we will learn how to integrate these two applications, that is Calendly and Slack, in such a way that every time an appointment for an event gets cancelled, a message on Slack will be received. So this automation that we are going to create using Pabbly Connect, here our trigger will be the invitee cancelled and our action will be to send channel message in Slack channel. Let us learn how to do that. So let us learn how can we send channel messages in Slack whenever a new appointment is cancelled in Calendly. Suppose that this is an event, astrology consultation online, and here in scheduled events we can find the bookings of this event. If one of these bookings get cancelled either by the organization's end or the invitee cancels it, then a message on Slack channel will be sent as a notification of the cancellation. So let us create an automation for the same. So quickly sign in into our account, so that we will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided to us by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now. That will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you can see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Post Cancelled Calendly Events to Slack Channel. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you, like you can see on your screen. You will see here the two major concepts of Pabbly Connect on which the whole workflow works. So we have trigger and action windows over here, and I would like to remind you to open your Calendly application and also your Slack over here so that you can connect both the applications easily with Pabbly Connect and also cross-check the activities you're going to perform. So let us understand the trigger and action. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that trigger is going to be the first application where the event will be performed manually by us. Like Calendly is going to be the trigger where the event will be cancelled from any end it could be, and then this will trigger this workflow, and so the action application that is going to be Slack for us for this workflow, the message will be sent in the channel. So let us choose our trigger application as Calendly over here, and the event will be invitee cancelled. Okay, so invitee is cancelled, and then click on Connect. Add new connection. Now we are connecting Calendly and Pabbly Connect. The reason being that whenever any activity related to this specific trigger event that we have set over here takes place, then that complete information will be sent over here to Pabbly Connect as a response in this webhook. So click on Connect with Calendly, and since you've opened your account already over here, it will automatically be detected and the authorization is successful. Now the accounts are connected. If you open this drop-down menu, you will see that I have made only one organization for Calendly over here. Okay, so that is why I have one link over here for the organization, who is the user Ashirai, and that is the name for our account. So which means that we have been connected to the correct account. And the note over here is that you should have a Calendly Pro plan to use this integration. So make sure that you have it. Now we will click on Save and Send Test Request, and it will start waiting for a response. See, now Pabbly Connect is waiting for a response for a cancellation of an appointment. So we will go back to our Calendly and make a dummy cancellation over here. Go to Schedule Events over here, and here you will find the first booking with this name of this event. So you see, if you open this one, you can reschedule and cancel this one because we are making this workflow for cancellation. So right now we are going to cancel this. Even the invitee can themselves cancel this appointment. So when we cancel it, you have to write a message that why are you cancelling. So like this is a test one. So I'm going to write like that. This is a test cancellation. Click on yes, cancel, and it is cancelled. See, it's all cut off. So now when you go back over here, you will see that you will receive a response with all the details of the appointment first of all, and also the fact that it is cancelled. In this response, you can see, first of all, the cancellation has been done by the host, the name of the host, the message, the date when it was created. Okay, so you can use this date to mention that this appointment has been cancelled, which was supposed to be on this date and this time. Now the email address of the person, the name of the person. So basically the contact number, the details of the person with whom the appointment was there, and the status will also be there that it is cancelled. Now you don't need to focus more on this cancelled one because our event was only cancelled. So the response will be for all the cancelled events, cancelled appointments only. So we have received this complete response from our trigger application successfully. Now what we need to do is transfer this information to our action application, that is Slack. And once you transfer it, here in this channel with the name Calendly Appointments, a message will be sent for the cancellation. So choose your application as Slack over here. And the event will be to send channel message. Click on Connect. Again, you have to click on add new connection and connect with Slack. Now you have to enter over here a token type. So the two types of token in Slack are user and bot. And how do you differentiate between them? So you click on this link over here, and this page will be forum by Pabbly, and here you will see two lists of first user and then bot. So you read these bullet points and understand that if you enter user over there, you will be allowed to perform these actions, and if you enter bot over there, you will be allowed to perform these actions. So because I know we have to enter bot over here, you see send channel message with image and without image. So we are going to send without image, and that is why we need bot as our token type. So we will type over here bot and click on save, and accounts will be connected. Just you have to click over here on this allow. The connection is done successfully, and now we have been connected to Slack. Pabbly Connect and Slack are connected. You have to choose a channel name. So here is the long list of all the channels, as you can see on your left panel here. So these are the channels, and we are working upon Calendly appointments. We want the message to pop up over here in this channel, Calendly appointments. So we will choose that one. If you can find it easily, then fine, like I have found it. Otherwise, you can also type in this search bar, and here it will take you directly to your channel name. Now, Calendly appointments is the name of the channel. Now we will frame a message that this appointment has been cancelled. So we have to enter details about the appointment and also the invitee as well. So let us frame our message and appointment for, and keep mapping from here. So what was the name of the event first of all? Then we will mention that. It was astrology consultation online. So an appointment for this event has been cancelled. Now name of the person, contact of the person, email of the person. So these details are optional. It's just depends on you what message you want to frame over here. So in case of name, we will enter the name. So what was the name of the person? This was the name. Contact number, we had the mobile number, so we can enter the mobile number over here. And then for the email address, we were having the email address right here. And the date also, date of appointment. Okay, date of appointment is here. So now the date has been given to us in this day. Okay, that it was created on this date. But is this date easy or simplified enough to be understood? No. We need a simplified format of date. So what we are going to do for that is click on this plus button before Slack, because we want to add that newly formatted date in our Slack message. That is why we are going to add this step between our trigger and action window. Choose over here your application as datetime formatter. Now, datetime formatter is a feature that is built inside Pabbly that will help you format date in any form that you like. Right? Like you can see over here, you want to format the date. So choose that event, click on connect. Now connection is not a difficult task, and then we enter the date. So we will enter the created date over here. We will map the date, and this is the date. Now what is the format of the date right now? It is this one. You have year, month and date. For T for time, then it is this. The time is given over here, hour, minutes and seconds, and then Z in the end. So I guess this is the one which is right now existing, and you want a simplified format, so you can take this one. Okay, the date, month and year. Time is given like this, so it will appear actually like this in a simplified format. Click on save and send test request, and say you will receive the response here. So this is the simplified date. The date is here and the time is here. So we are going to now map this date in our message. So when you come down here to your message and open this, you won't find anything to map from. Why? Because you have added a new step over here. So we need to refresh it by click on connect and just save it. It's just the way of refreshing. And now all the steps before this specific step will be visible in the drop down menu. So you open this and see. Along with Calendly, you can see datetime formatter as well. So now we will map the date from here. Okay, this is the date. And you can also add cancellation is. Now this is done. Your message has been drafted. Now no image is there, no bot name is there. So no other important thing is left over here. We have filled in the required fields, and now we will simply click on save and send test request. Once you're done with this, you will receive a response that the message has been sent to the channel. So see, it will appear like this in your message. Right now, this makes it very clear that our message has been sent. Let us go back and cross check to our Slack channel. Have we received a message or not? So this is my Slack channel, and you see earlier there was just one message. Now we have this message that we just drafted in our Pabbly Connect workflow, which means that whenever a new appointment will be cancelled over here in Calendly, a message will be sent to this Slack channel for a confirmation or notification that this appointment has been cancelled, which means that this workflow has been a success. So this was the whole video. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.